Welcome everyone to DR.Brave Voice YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss about few famous topics in these days. COVID-19, Omicron, and Deltacron. What will be the next? These variants spreads more easily than original virus. What can we do for prevent the spreading and prevent the arrival of new variant? Wearing face mask correctly, when you are in the public, keep at least 1 to 2 meter distance between each other. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. It's especially important to wash before eating or preparing foods, before touching your face, after using restrooms, after leaving a public place, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneeze, after handling your mask. If soap and water not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all surfaces of your hands with sanitizer and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. If you have following influenza symptoms like fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficult in breathing, fatigue, muscle ache or body ache, headache, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, it's better to stay at home. And also, it's better to have medical advices. It's very important to have the COVID vaccination as soon as possible when your turn has come.